Alright, we are looking to do full system swap here down in the basement utility area, right off of the stairs, just to my left. It's carpeted area, so I'll have to cover all that. This unit, we'll be putting in an S8X2, be 100,000 BTUs, so C width, this is 19 by 40. There's about 5.5 inches here, and then a 14-inch wide return drop, which what I think we'll do is we'll just, because we need a little more space here, this is going to go to C width, plus I need another 2-3 inches for the 1210 box. We'll just pull this whole return, and I'll just do a straight 79.5 inches down. We'll do the 1210, and then you'll need probably like a 3-inch filler piece there. Drains in front of the unit, 6 by 4 by 3, that can all stay in place. We'll just rerun the 4-inch flue there. The original coil is what's up top here. Line sets, we'll have to flush those, but pull that thing off, get it on the new furnace, then we'll have to redo the plenum right there. We are wanting to do a 600M bypass humidifier. You can grab the water lines from right over here. In fact, looks like there's an old saddle valve on there, but should be able to mount that humidifier nicely right here next to the water. I don't see any combustible air grills down here. I don't see anything. But we can easily cut them right here. Or even right here. Let's see width on that. If I get a 14-inch wide grill, it should be fine.